Tiff, what are we working on?
Little art project.
Little art project?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of art project?
We are making signs for Jared's birthday.
Oh, birthday
All the
project.
kids were decorating all the things I wrote out of all the things I like about him.
Is she cute or what, guys?
I know.
Like, seriously, so
stop
cute.
it.
Wait, and who's helping you today?
Chelsea,
No, who's helping you?
we got Jenna,
Jenna,
helping us,
decorating.
Tara,
Tara,
and Jin.
Jin.
Jin, can you look at Chelsea?
Jin, say hi. He's diligent. Say hi.
And Jenny.
Jenny, say hi.
And the lovely Botevi.
Botevi, and say hi. Don't forget to say hi. You guys are so good. There's Botevi. They are being so good about working on this. We got some nice background music over here. Don't know if you can hear that, but those boys are napping to the sound of Britney Spears and other American classics. Got laundry time? Laundry time! They're washing their clothes. You guys keep your clothes so clean. They do so good. This place rocks. So does Jared. We love you, Jared. Happy